Alright, 4, implement a new rule, rule 4. So I'm presuming there's 3 rules before it. So that the score is increased by 2 points if the password contains at least one uppercase letter. When the program is run, the output may look as follows. Enter a password. You see there's a capital letter in it now. Previously, if there wasn't a capital letter in it, you would have had, was it 6 maybe or something? I'm not sure what the score was. But let's just test it as we have it now. If we test it and put in sunshine, and the score is only 6 as it stands. So let's go and let's see here. So like at the start of this question, you should be just having a look, a general overview of the program. So get a password entered by the user. You've got your variable store of lowercase letters, variable store of the uppercase letters. You have a variable called lowercase, which indicates that currently is initialized to Boolean false, which means that there's no lowercase letters, but of course if you come across a lowercase letter, that will be changed to true. And similarly with uppercase, and I think that's what we're going to be dealing with here in this part. And then here you're iterating through the password character by character, checking whether they're lowercase or uppercase and changing it to true appropriately. And then you're calculating the score, where you start off with the initialized to 0, and depending on the different rules, which you can see there, if the length of the pass is greater than 7, you increase by 5. If there's a lowercase, you increase by 1. If there's lowercase and uppercase, you get another 5. And that's where the 13 I think comes from. And the rule 4 that we need to now do, so rule number 4, if there is uppercase in it. So if uppercase, now some of you might say here, if uppercase is equal to true, but you don't need to do that, because in an if statement the condition needs to evaluate to true, and uppercase will already have been changed to true if there was an uppercase letter in it. So if one of the characters was an uppercase character or letter, then it's going to change the uppercase to true. So down below here, you're just basically saying if uppercase is true, I'll go in there and increase the score by 2. I think it's score. I'm going to do it this way for a change. So I could say, of course, score is equal to score plus 2, but I'm going to go for the shorthand, plus equals 2, and make sure now that that's correct. So increase by 2 points if the password contains at least one uppercase letter. Right, so let's run that again now. And sunshine now. And we get 13. And yeah, that's right. And do one more. I'm gonna do sun and another capital S. Sunshine there. We're still at 13. This is uppercase. Lovely stuff. Alright, that's that for that one.